I'm Bob, and this is the Amazon Echo. You probably have heard of that before. And for my job, I was asked to make an app for it. And so I made a simple Q&A app that we could use at a trade show. And the company's called Waypoint. And I'll just give a little example here. Alexa, open ARM Advisor.
Welcome to ARM Advisor. Ask me a question about the ARM industry.
Who is Waypoint?
Waypoint Resource Group is an ARM outsourcing partner. There are 3 things to remember about Waypoint. Nearly 4 decades of credit collection success, no judgments, and a meticulous focus on brand safeguarding.
Where is Waypoint located?
Waypoint is located in the heart of Texas, just north of Austin. They are in the TG building, which is 200,000 square feet and owned outright. It's really nice. You should visit.
If I am lost, can Waypoint get me home?
If you are lost for how to improve your ARM results, Waypoint can help. If you want street directions, try my cousin Siri.
So anyhow, there's about 40 questions, and it was just kind of a fun thing. And the nice thing is, when I finished, I got this t-shirt from Amazon.
Sorry, I'm having trouble accessing your skill right now.
Yeah, well, I'm done, Alexa. So anyhow, they sent me this t-shirt, and it says first 1,000 over here. I think this app was number 800 and something. So that was kind of cool, and that's it. Here's the Simon Says trick. Alexa, Simon Says, thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.